Hello everyone, welcome back to Indian Nomad. During my recent business trip to France, I stayed at Novotel Le Havre Gare for almost 2 weeks. Staying at a hotel for this long gives you a real understanding of its comfort, service, and overall experience. So, in this video, I'm sharing my honest review to help you decide if this hotel is the right choice for your visit to Le Havre. One of the biggest highlights of this hotel is its excellent location. It's just a short walk from Le Havre railway station, making it very convenient whether you're arriving by train or planning to explore Normandy. The marina, shopping streets, restaurants, and city center are all within easy walking distance. For business travelers, this location is hard to beat. My check-in experience was quick and hassle-free. The lobby is modern, spacious, and welcoming, with plenty of seating to relax after a long journey. Throughout my stay, the staff were friendly, professional, and always happy to help whenever I needed assistance. The room was spacious, clean, and thoughtfully designed. The bed was extremely comfortable, which is something you really appreciate during a long business trip. There was a dedicated work desk, reliable high-speed Wi-Fi, tea and coffee facilities, a mini bar, and plenty of storage space. One of my favorite parts of the room was the balcony. Every day, I enjoyed a beautiful view of Le Havre's harbor. Watching massive cruise ships and cargo vessels arrive and dock was surprisingly relaxing, especially after a busy day at work. If you enjoy waterfront views, you'll definitely appreciate this. Another thing that impressed me was the excellent soundproofing. Even though the hotel is close to the railway station, my room remained quiet throughout the stay, allowing me to sleep comfortably every night. Housekeeping also did an excellent job of keeping the room clean and well maintained every single day. The breakfast buffet offered a good variety of fresh breads, pastries, fruits, cereals, eggs, juices, coffee, and local French specialties. The quality of the food was consistently good. Since I stayed for nearly 2 weeks, I did notice that the menu remained mostly the same each day. However, if you're staying for a few nights, you'll find the selection more than satisfying. The hotel also has an in-house restaurant and bar, which is very convenient after a long day of work or sightseeing. It also offers meeting facilities and a fitness center for guests. I personally didn't use the fitness center, so I won't comment on that, but it's available if you like to maintain your workout routine while traveling. Here's my overall rating after spending nearly 2 weeks at the hotel. I would definitely recommend Novotel Le Havre Gare for business travelers, couples, and anyone looking for a comfortable hotel with an excellent location in Le Havre. I hope this review helps you plan your stay in Le Havre. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Indian Nomad, and turn on notifications for more travel guides, hotel reviews, aviation experiences, and luxury travel content from around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.